You are very welcome, and we appreciate the feedback. We are glad that you are enjoying the site and finding it stimulating. Thank you for taking the time to let us know. Sites and online communities thrive on user engagement and positive reinforcement. This type of feedback encourages continued development and improvement. To ensure a positive experience for all users, online communities often have guidelines or rules of conduct. Firstly, it's important to be respectful of other members, even when disagreements arise. Disagreement should be addressed constructively and without personal attacks. Secondly, refrain from using offensive language or engaging in behavior that could be considered harassment or discrimination. Thirdly, stay on topic within designated forums or threads. This helps to keep the discussions organized and prevents irrelevant content from cluttering the community. Fourthly, be mindful of the information you share. Avoid posting personal details that could compromise your privacy or security. Fifthly, respect copyright laws and intellectual property rights. Do not share copyrighted material without permission from the owner. Sixthly, use clear and concise language when posting messages. This makes it easier for other members to understand your points and reduces the risk of miscommunication. Seventhly, proofread your posts before submitting them to catch any errors in grammar or spelling. This helps to maintain the overall quality of the community. Eighthly, if you encounter any inappropriate behavior or content, report it to the moderators or administrators. This helps to ensure that the community remains a safe and welcoming environment for everyone. Ninthly, participate actively in discussions and share your knowledge and experiences with other members. This contributes to the overall value of the community. Finally, be patient and understanding with new members. Everyone was new to the community at some point, so offer guidance and support to help them get acclimated. By following these guidelines, you can help to create a positive and productive online community for everyone. Maintaining a well-organized and moderated site is essential for fostering a thriving online community. Effective moderation involves several key aspects. Firstly, establishing clear and concise rules of conduct is paramount. These rules should be easily accessible to all members and should clearly outline acceptable and unacceptable behavior. Secondly, a team of dedicated moderators is needed to enforce these rules and address any violations. Moderators should be impartial, fair, and responsive to reports of misconduct. Thirdly, providing members with a clear and easy-to-use reporting system is crucial. This allows them to quickly and effectively report any instances of inappropriate behavior or content. Fourthly, moderators should actively monitor the site for violations of the rules. This may involve reviewing posts, comments, and messages to identify and address any issues. Fifthly, when a violation is detected, moderators should take appropriate action. This may involve issuing warnings, suspending accounts, or removing content. Sixthly, it is important to maintain transparency in the moderation process. Members should be informed of the reasons behind any actions taken and should have the opportunity to appeal if they believe they have been unfairly treated. Seventhly, moderators should be trained on how to handle different types of violations and how to communicate effectively with members. This helps to ensure that they are equipped to deal with a wide range of situations. Eighthly, the moderation team should regularly review and update the rules of conduct to reflect changes in the community and to address any emerging issues. Ninthly, fostering a positive and respectful environment is essential for preventing violations in the first place. This can be achieved by encouraging open communication, promoting empathy, and celebrating diversity. Finally, regularly soliciting feedback from members and the moderation process can help to identify areas for improvement and ensure that the community is being managed in a way that meets their needs. By implementing these strategies, online communities can create a safe, welcoming, and productive environment for all members. The goal is to foster a sense of belonging, encourage meaningful interactions, and promote the sharing of knowledge and ideas. The effectiveness of moderation is also closely tied to the overall design and functionality of the site. A user-friendly interface, easy navigation, and robust search capabilities can all contribute to a positive user experience. Additionally, features such as private messaging, group forums, and activity feeds can help to facilitate communication and collaboration among members. Furthermore, incorporating gamification elements such as badges, points, and leaderboards can help to incentivize positive behavior and engagement. When choosing a platform for an online community, it's important to consider the specific needs and goals of the community. Some platforms are better suited for certain types of communities than others. For example, a platform with strong forum features may be ideal for a community focused on discussion and debate, while a platform with strong social networking features may be better suited for a community focused on connecting people with shared interests. It's also important to consider the scalability of the platform. As the community grows, the platform should be able to handle the increased traffic and data. In addition to the technical aspects of community building, it's also important to focus on the human element. Building a strong sense of community requires effort, dedication, and a genuine desire to connect with others. Community leaders should be actively involved in fostering relationships, facilitating discussions, and providing support to members. They should also be open to feedback and willing to adapt their strategies to meet the evolving needs of the community. Ultimately, the success of an online community depends on the collective effort of its members. By working together to create a positive and supportive environment, members can build a thriving community that benefits everyone involved. The power of online communities lies in their ability to connect people from all over the world who share common interests, passions, and goals. These communities provide a space for people to learn from each other, share their experiences, and build meaningful relationships. They can also be a powerful force for social change, enabling people to organize, mobilize, and advocate for causes they believe in. As technology continues to evolve, online communities will likely play an increasingly important role in our lives. They offer a unique opportunity to connect, collaborate, and create in ways that were never before possible. To ensure that these communities remain vibrant and productive, it's essential to invest in the tools, resources, and leadership needed to support them. This includes providing effective moderation, fostering a positive environment, and promoting active participation. With the right approach, online communities can be a powerful force for good in the world.